In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically add flight details to your Google Calendar. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a smooth system where your flight information seamlessly integrates into your calendar, ensuring you never miss a trip. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Calendar website. You can simply type Google Calendar in your browser's search bar and press enter. From the list of results that appear, click on the first one, which should take you directly to the Google Calendar platform. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, you'll need to log into your account. So enter your email address in the provided field. If you've already been logged into a Google account on your browser, it might skip this step and take you directly to the next part. If not, once you've typed in your email, just click on Next to proceed. The next step is to enter your password. Make sure your password is entered correctly. This will ensure a smooth login experience. Once again, hit Next after you've typed it in. If all the details are correct, you should now be logged into your Google Calendar. Now that you're in, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon. That's your settings icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to customizing your Google Calendar experience. After clicking on the settings icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select Settings again. This will open up a more detailed settings page where you can adjust various aspects of your Google Calendar. On the left sidebar of this settings page, you will find an option labeled Events from Gmail. This is exactly what we need. Scroll down if necessary to locate this option, then click on it to open those settings. You should now see a checkbox next to the label Show Events from Gmail. By checking this box, you're enabling Google Calendar to automatically pull event information from your Gmail. This includes flight details, as well as hotel reservations and other event information. Once you check that box, any flight information you receive in your Gmail inbox, like booking confirmations, will automatically be added to your Google Calendar. It's a fantastic tool for anyone who travels frequently, as it keeps your schedule up to date without requiring any manual input. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've ensured that all your flight details will automatically be included in your Google Calendar. This not only helps you stay organized, but also ensures you can plan around your travel more effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where we'll tackle even more time-saving tech tips.